Good morning, Mr. Mike. What's our project today?
Good morning, Bob. So we are taking apart a CyberPower 1400 VA. A lot of the newer ones are CyberPower 1500. This one's over 10 years old. We use it on the computer to help keep the computer from shutting down too quickly during a power outage. That way your computer still has power and you can turn the screen off safely. So here's how we're gonna, on the CyberPower, you take the one screw off the bottom and then you lower it, bring it out. Be careful of the ribbon plug. There'll be a positive and a negative holding the batteries. These batteries are wired in series. And to do that, the negative goes to the positive and the positive comes out as the positive for this. When you take your batteries out, you just need to make sure that you get the exact number replacement because the width and the height dimensions are really critical. Any questions?
No.
Okay, so we're gonna reconnect this. Stack them so that everything's condensed like it was before. Okay, smash it. The wires are together. Get your sticky tape back. There you go. Come on over here.
Can't see, Mike.
Sorry. I'm gonna slide it in. Like that. And now we're gonna hook up our positive and our negative. They're going to come factory charged so that you can see the battery has life right there. The indication for this thing going bad was when we had a power outage, the system didn't beep like you heard it a minute ago. So you're going to make sure all your battery connections are good. Slip that back on like that. Put your screw back in. You'll be good to go.
Nicely done, Mr. Mike.
All right, sir.
And no foul language was used at any time.
No animals were injured during this video. Put the screw back in. And on the back of this, you're gonna plug this into the wall. And you're gonna plug this, your computer and stuff into here. And it's gonna tell you you have life even when power goes out. I hope this was helpful.
Thank you, Mr. Mike. That is very helpful, and that's a good thing to have.
Thanks, Bob. You too.
Good morning, Mr. Mike.
Hey, bud. How you doing?
Good. What is that machine there?
So this is a CyberPower 1400. It's an older unit. The newer ones are 1500s. And what they do is when you have a power outage, your computer doesn't crash or shut down. It holds power so that you can go over to the computer and safely turn it off. The noises it makes during a power outage would be loss of power and a continual beep with pauses between. I don't know if that means continual, but it doesn't. So, like that, about every 15 to 30 seconds.
So how would you know when the batteries are bad?
Well, the batteries have to be replaced every 3 to 5 years, the manufacturer said. And the battery indicator will be all over the map. You'll have a power outage, it won't beep. You'll try to turn it on and it'll beep at you and show you sporadic power. Like there's a battery right here that says 100% charged, offering 120 volts. This one offered us 20% charge, 90% charge, 0 charge, all in about 5 minutes being plugged in and unplugged. And it wouldn't beep like that.
Mr. Mike, what are we talking cost-wise for replacement of those batteries?
The batteries we purchased, this is 2026 mid-year, and the batteries cost us under $80 for the pair, whereas these units are over $1,000 for a 1500. You could get 700s and other lower models that won't hold a charge for very long for $500. So spending between $50 and $100 for batteries for this was worth it.
Now, Mr. Mike, what do you do with the old batteries once you've taken them out?
So, depends on where you live. If you've got a Home Depot near you, take them by Home Depot. They've got a cart. You can put them inside there. Dispose of them responsibly. Hope this helped, and like and subscribe. Thank you.